So hey friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how we achieve this look. It's a passion twist using this hair that I bought on Amazon, and I actually got it with crochet hook and ear beads. These are the packs of hair, and I think I got about 7 packs in there, and I have 2 packs left. So this is the finished look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. All right. So hey, I just washed my hair. My first step is pulling this out. Oh yeah, so it's nice to give yourself a good head massage sometimes. I needed that. Okay. So, all right, I need to moisturize it now, and I'm gonna try to put the rubber bands in there and comb it. So come along on my journey. So first of all, I'm gonna moisturize my own hair, and I'm using this as my oil, and I'm just gonna put a little on it. My hair was already oiled. I'm just massaging it in. Smells good. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. So I basically use this to part, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some edge wax at the root, and this is a little trick to help you to part your hair straight. So I'm gonna put this at the root now. Looks like. So I'm gonna just pull this up like this. So I am finished. Alright, so I did one, but let's go ahead and do the rest of them. 2 of them to do one. So separate it like this. Alright, there goes my 2. Alright, and then I'll get the crochet hook and I'm gonna push it through the back. This one. Get in, push it through. Get some of the edge wax and put this on my hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is separate my hair into 2 strands, just like how the hair is separated into 2 strands, and I'm going to twist. Alright, and we're just going to twist normal twist. Okay. To tell you that my color is T1B27. I'll leave the link in the description so you can see. So this is the finished look. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much for joining me today, all my subscribers. Big up yourself. Those who have not subscribed, come on the train and leave you. Join now. That little red button down there, click it. So anytime I upload, you will be notified. So as always on this channel, we say don't forget to live your best life. It's your girl Cam saying peace out. Go do your hair and tell me. Be inspired. Go do your hair. Thank me later. All right? Bye now.